channel. And today we're here to short review of the Huawei MediaPad P3. So I'll show you what's inside, the specs, and what we can do with the new Huawei MediaPad P3. We often use a tablet for entertainment, like watching a movie, watching your favorite YouTube videos or channel, and of course, for some they use it for work, so like for doing the presentation. Okay, so we have here now our Huawei MediaPad P3. There's so many things you can do with the tablet aside from browsing the social media or checking your email. I like having a tablet or using a tablet a bigger size than the cell phone, the usual smartphone, because I can do a lot of stuff like composing my blog, since it's bigger with wider screen compared to the regular smartphone. And then I can also do a presentation. The cable, the warranty card, this is the manual or the quick start guide. We also have the pin. This is the pin which you'll use to open the slot for the SIM card. Here is the SIM card slot. Okay, we have here the adapter and the cable for charging. Eight-inches tablet features an 8 inches or 20.32 centimeter touch screen for your watching, movie watching, for your browsing, for your gaming, for your work needs. And it runs with an Android v7.0 Nougat operating system to quickly open apps and games. You'll find out later on. The device is powered by a quad-core 1.4 GHz Cortex-A53 processor paired with 2 GB and RAM to further enhance the user's experience.